Most tire shop owners think their biggest competitor is the garage down the road, but that's usually wrong. The real competitor is something far more dangerous because you can't even see it. Every day, potential customers decide to do absolutely nothing. They delay replacing worn tires, and that's the sale you never even knew you lost. Stick around, because by the end of this episode, you'll understand why customers keep postponing tire purchases and, more importantly, how to remove the hidden barriers that stop them from buying. These simple changes can help you win more customers without lowering your prices. Here's the reality. People rarely wake up excited to buy new tires. They buy them because they have to. Until that moment, replacing tires sits at the bottom of their priority list. They're busy with work, family, appointments, and everything else life throws at them. If buying tires feels complicated, they'll simply push it to next week. And next week often becomes next month. Think about your own customers for a second. Have you ever wondered how many of them intended to book with you but never got around to it? Comment yes if you've seen customers say, "I've been meaning to get this done." This is where most businesses mess up. They spend hours watching competitors instead of asking one simple question: how easy is it to buy from us? Imagine a customer sends a message asking for a tire quote. If they have to wait hours for a reply, fill out a complicated form, or struggle to find an appointment, they're far more likely to delay the decision. Not because they don't need tires, but because the process feels like hard work. The fix is surprisingly simple. Reply quickly, give clear quotes, make booking fast, offer appointment times that fit around your customer's schedule. Every small improvement removes another reason to delay. Here's something no one talks about. Customers don't just buy tires, they buy confidence. Many drivers aren't even sure if their tires need replacing. Others have no idea which brand or budget is right for them. If you overwhelm them with technical information, they'll often leave without making a decision. Instead, guide them. Explain the options in plain English. Tell them why one tire might suit their driving better than another. When people understand their choices, they feel confident. And confident customers make decisions much faster. Don't skip this part, because speed matters more than most tire shops realize. The moment a customer decides they need tires is your biggest opportunity. Every extra hour they wait creates another chance for life to get in the way. They get busy, they forget, or they decide to deal with it another day. The businesses that respond fastest often win, even if they're not the cheapest. Now ask yourself this: how quickly does your business respond to inquiries? Could someone get a quote and book an appointment within just a few minutes? If not, that's probably costing you more sales than you think. There's one final piece that many tire shops overlook: staying visible. People naturally remember businesses they've seen recently. Helpful Facebook posts, reminder text messages, useful emails, or regular local marketing keep your shop fresh in customers' minds. Then, when they finally need tires, they already know who they're calling. So here's what you can start doing today. Make getting a quote effortless. Simplify your booking process. Respond faster than you did yesterday. Give clear advice that removes uncertainty. And keep your business visible, so customers remember you before they start searching elsewhere. At the end of the day, your biggest competitor probably isn't another tire shop. It's delay, it's uncertainty, it's inconvenience. Remove those barriers and you'll win more customers without worrying about what the garage down the road is doing. If this episode gave you a new way of looking at your business, subscribe and join us for the next episode. If you run a tire shop, garage, or mobile tire fitting van, and you're fed up calling around for stock or losing jobs because tires aren't available, TyreRoom is a trade-only tire wholesaler built to make your life easier. Check availability instantly on our website or the TyreRoom app, with budget, mid-range, and premium tires all in one place. Plus, fast delivery backed by our 100% money-back guarantee. TyreRoom is trusted by tire businesses across the UK. Open a free TyreRoom wholesale account today. The link is in the description. TyreRoom, built for garages, trusted by traders.